All right, happy Thanksgiving on that GMG Davy Crockett. This right here is about a 11, 12 pound turkey. Definitely the biggest one I've ever tried to do on the Davy Crockett. So I did this with a 1-day wet brine, and then I did it the next day with a 1-day dry rub. And today we have this on there smoking for a full 12 hours at 150 degrees with a maple pellet. Right now we're about 3 hours in, but she looks beautiful. And I'll share all the good recipe details in the description. Yeah, 6 hours in. Gobble, gobble. Ooh, 8 hours in to that smoke process. All right. Welcome to the 12th hour of smoking this beautiful turkey. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this off. We're going to wrap it up overnight, throw it in the fridge, and toss it back on here in the morning tomorrow to get it to final temp. What a beautiful journey. Thanks to the GMG Davy Crockett. It is Thanksgiving Day. We're just getting it fired up. Put the turkey back on the grill. We've put it directly on the grates. I've made sure to kind of spread the wings open a little bit. Want to make sure that we get everything cooked thoroughly. Got our meat probe right there inserted, right into the center of the breast. Yeah. All right, so just a quick update here. We've had this running for 30 minutes at 400 degrees, directly on the grates. And I just wanted to get a really nice sear right on the bottom of that turkey there. Our internal temperature right now in the breast is at about 100 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put this back in the pan. I'm gonna insert that meat probe right into the thigh, and we're gonna pull this off at 165. All right, this turkey is ready to come off the grill. We've got an internal temp of 165. I've checked it in a few different places. We turned this down once we threw it in the pan to 350. It was about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so to reach that temp. Again, about a 12 pound bird here. Let's get ready to slice it open. That's perfect. All right, chef's first bite. I gotta grab some of that beautiful smoked skin in there. Not that healthy of a bite, we're gonna cut that in half. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can really taste the smoke all the way through that. The brine, the dry rub, just subtle flavors, they just highlight every single bite there. Wow. That's outstanding. I'll have the details below in the video so you can make this turkey for yourself. Happy Thanksgiving.